I greet you in Jesus' precious name. It is Wednesday morning, the 22nd of April, 2026, and this is your friend, Angus Buchan, with a thought for the day. We go to the Word of God, Psalm 62, verse 5. My soul, wait silently for God alone, for my expectation is from Him. We need to really come aside and we need to wait upon God only. I want to read something to you that I saw in a book from an unknown author, but I think this is very appropriate for you and I, especially me, because I'm one of those that talks too much and listens too little, but I'm going to trust God to change that. Listen to this beautiful little reading. Did it ever occur to you that if you do not hear God's answer to prayer, it may be not because He is dumb, but because you are deaf? Not because He has no answer to give, but because you have not been listening for it. We are so busy with our service, so busy with our work, and sometimes so busy with our praying that it does not occur to us to stop our own talking and listen if God has some answer to give us with that still small voice. To be passive, to be quiet, and to do nothing, say nothing, and in some true sense, think nothing. Simply to be receptive and waiting for the voice. Wait thou only upon God, says the psalmist, and again, wait on the Lord. I really believe that is a very special word for a lot of busy people. I'm one of them. I've already told you that. We need to listen more. We need to speak less. And sometimes absolutely do nothing. Just listen so that He can talk to us and give us clear instructions as to what the future holds for us. Jesus bless you and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.